Hello, my name is Teacher Mick. Welcome to Mark for Future Science Lesson Week 9 for P1. We are going to make a windmill. First we need is a cup and a pencil, and we need to make 4 holes in the cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, all at the same level. Once we've made the holes, we need to get a ball bearing and the lid and glue with a hot glue gun. Be careful, the ball into the lid. Once you've done that, get 4 straws and bend them and use a pair of scissors and cut them so they are shorter. Once you've done that for 4, you put them into the holes in there, and they must all be in the same direction, and glue the straws. When you have finished that, you will get the cup, glue the lid once more with the gun, and put your lid with the ball bearing on top, and you must secure with glue all the way around. When you have finished that, you will have your finished windmill. So we can try it.
Science. I want to be a scientist.
There we go. Well done. Thank you. Bye-bye.